Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. And today it's the sneaky deal. We mentioned it yesterday, but it's the 15% off for ITC for all air compressors and 25% off for ITC for all air tools. Now that's the thing, is what is all air tools? So we know what compressors are. We're going to skip over the compressors, but all air tools is what we're going to look at. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. It helps the channel a lot. I appreciate everyone. And let's jump in. So I have all the items outside of McGraw and Fortress, sorted price highest to lowest. And we're starting off with this Earthquake 1-inch D-handle aluminum air impact wrench, 8-inch extension anvil, pinless, 2,500 foot-pounds, color red. Red Dead Redemption has nothing to do with this, but color red. $300 compares to the Ingersoll Rand at almost $600. This is a 1-inch professional impact wrench, has a pinless mechanism for maximum torque, drop forged anvil for superior strength, 3-speed power regulator, vented handle, less vibration, 90-day warranty, which is not so great, but $300 for a 1-inch D handle. Who needs one of these? If you do, this feels like the time to get it because it's 25% off for ITC, 20% for regular as well for everybody. You don't have to be ITC for this. So this is a pretty good deal regardless, but let's see what it comes out to. $300 at 25% off. You're getting it for $225, saving $75 on this Earthquake 1-inch handle aluminum air impact wrench. Does anybody need one of these? This thing looks like an absolute beast. Next, a brand new tool, the Earthquake XT 3/4 inch. And we won't go through everything, but we'll go through some of the heavier hitter, higher priced items. Earthquake XT 3/4 inch composite air impact wrench, twin hammer, 1,800 foot-pounds, $250. Ultra powerful pneumatic impact wrench delivers up to 1,800 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque and 1,300 foot-pounds of fastening torque. Excellent, especially if you have, this is the time, I guess, get an air compressor, get some air tools. $250, and at 25% off, you're getting it for $187, saving almost $65 off the regular price. So great discount on this Earthquake XT. At times there might be bigger discounts, but 25% off for your choice of a smorgasbord of tools is where this is super valuable. But let's keep looking. Next, we have the Pierce 15-degree professional coil sighting nailer for $229. 15-degree coil sighting nailers built for professional application of siding, sheeting, decking, and fencing. And at $229 at 25% off, you're getting this for $172.50. So saving close to $60 there. And we'll keep going. This was on sale a bit ago. I believe they had a bit higher of a discount during the Black Widow Spectrum sale. But at $219, still wouldn't be bad at 25% off. Let's just say $220. Let's call it what it is. And at 25% off, you're getting it for $165, which is still a decent deal. But this has been lower. I have another Pierce 15-degree professional coil roofing nailer for $200, saving $50 here, getting this for $150. The central pneumatic 1-inch pistol grip air impact wrench twin hammer, 1,500 foot-pounds, $200, also saving $50 there. Get it for $150. And these Black Widow Spectrums, now I won't do the price on these. 25% is a really good discount on these, but I do see higher percentages off for these, close to 30-40%. Central pneumatic 3/4 cast aluminum air impact wrench, twin hammer 1,000 foot, same thing, save. They're all the same price there, $180. 25% off, you get it for $135. This Pierce 21-degree framing nailer, also $180, get it for $135. Keep going. We have the 30-degree Pierce professional framing nailer, $180, get it for $135, save about $45. Earthquake XT, 1/2-inch composite ultra torque impact wrench, twin hammer, 1,500 foot-pounds at $160. Get that for 25% off. Get that for $120. Got this Banks 2-in-1 flooring air nailer stapler for $160. Here, the same price as this other Earthquake XT. Get it down to $120, so saving about $40 there. 1/4-inch professional air hydraulic riveter for $150. And at $150, 25% off, you're getting this for $112. And let's keep going. An air paint shaker, very specific. Same thing, get it for $112 at 25% off. We have this art piece of a tool, the Baxter 6-inch geared air sander at $120, and at 25% off, you're getting this for $90, so sub $100, save $30 there. Right angle composite air impact wrench jumbo hammer, 400 foot-pounds, $120, save $30 there at 25% off. The Avanti airbrush compressor combo kit is on here. ITC was only $10, but here with this deal that ends in 2 days, don't even need the calculator actually, you'll get it for $75 at 25% off, so great discount there. And we have the Baxter 1/2-inch by 18-inch professional belt air sander. Should be super convenient at $99, $25 off there. Great savings. And we haven't done the instant savings, but these are the ones that are stackable. So this is already $10 off. So it's already 10% off, which is all right. 10% is nothing home to write about, but being 10% off already, and then we're stacking it with the 25% off, getting this down to $67.50. So from the original price of $100, basically what is that? 33, almost 34% off. Great discount, especially if you're in the airlines, not the airplane airlines, and these are all easy math. The Pierce 15-gauge professional hardware finish nailer, $25 off, $75. The Baxter 6-inch professional self-vacuuming random orbital air sander, decent discount for ITC, but even better if you get in the next day or so, $25 off versus just $20. Spectrum's 32-ounce professional HTE compliant siphon air spray gun, save $25. Chief's 4.5-inch professional air angle grinder, save $25, better than the ITC deal. More Baxter 6-inch dual action air sander, $25 off. And the list goes on and on. Can't look at them all, but we'll briefly just do a quick overview, see if anything catches the eye. This brand new Earthquake XT 3/8-inch mini air ratchet wrench with 1/4-inch hex drive, $50, save $12.50. I'll get this for about $36, $37. And we'll just look at the last page. We have a Jitterbug orbital sander, $45, save 25% off there. This Chief deal, definitely a better deal with ITC, is 32% off. And those are the air tools. Who here has air powered tools? Who's going to get some of these? We'll take a brief look at the air compressors. 15% off these for ITC. So not as great, but not a bad discount, especially if you're already looking to get an air compressor. And we left out some McGraw tools, hydraulic riveter, air needle scaler, both nicely priced. This McGraw 6-inch self-vacuuming random orbit air sander. But the big thing are the air compressors. Again, 15% and 10% aren't the greatest. You could be better off waiting for a 20% coupon that eventually will come around for the air compressors, but around 10 to 15% off, again, is not a bad deal. Either way, we'll leave it at that. 25% off was definitely the focus. Who is picking up some air tools? Quite an interesting list. 25% off for ITC. Seems like some good deals. Again, I hope you find this helpful. If you do, please consider liking and or subscribing. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.